All right, stem guitar, and we are going to drill the hole in between the pickup pockets. And to do that, we're going to use a 5/16 bell hanger 18-inch drill bit that we got from Menards. And so first we're going to clamp this down. We're going to use 2 bar clamps and clamp it down to the work surface. We got 2 little pieces of scrap that we put it in the neck pocket and in the first electronics pocket. That is just so that the drill bit can't angle downwards. And because we want to get a nice level drill hole in between here. And so we're going to use a Milwaukee M18 powered screwdriver. And like I said, we're going to use a 5/16 long drill bit. Now, we have done it with a 1/4 inch, and that will work, but 3/8 is too big. So he lines it up, starts drilling. And anywhere in the middle is good. We have to go through the neck pocket just to access it. Now make sure you don't point upwards. So if you don't want it to come through the front of the guitar, you can't go low because we got those 2 blocks of wood in it. And we're going to go through the next section into the second pocket. Every once in a while you might have to pull it back to get the chips out. You want enough down forward progress to make chips, and then we pop through, that's it. And we end up now with a hole. It's a tad high, but it's okay. And you can see from this side, we have a hole going through there. So we just completed our wiring path in between our electronics pockets.